start. If the local authorities do not agree to an increase in the fare and freight early enough, the vehicle owners will resort to corrupt or extraordinary tactics to obtain higher fares. Full stop. That has been part of our economic history. Full stop. The finance minister says that the increase in cost of production in gas based industries as a result of the rise in gas charges is only 0.75% and of WAPDA 1 paisa per unit of electricity after 2 or 3 months. Full stop. But when the rise in electricity rates comes, will they be really as low as that? Question mark. Similarly, when cement and fertilizer factories raise their prices later, will those increases to be very modest? Question mark. Meanwhile, the railway minister is quoted as saying that the railway are considering increasing the fare by about 15%. Full stop. While the local fares are to be increased sharply. Full stop. The validity of the finance minister's fine mathematical calculations will be judged by how marginal is the increase in the prices and rates for the goods and services supplied by the government agencies and those controlled by it. Full stop. Equally important is the extent to which the government succeeds in keeping the price increases as low as the finance minister says they should be. Full stop. Of course, he does not have the mechanism to ensure there is not abnormal price rise. Full stop. Pitfall attempts at reducing prices for a couple of days will not produce results. Full stop.